That is Phat from Sarandë Albania! Last day, beach day, Sarandë, and we're on a boat. We're gonna have a boat day today. 30 euros a person, food included, but you're packed like sardines on this gullet. What do you think?
I'm happy now.
Right in the sun.
Now that I got a spot to sit.
We had to fight for a spot like some peasants. Let's go on a boat ride today. Wow, look how many pirates are in this port. So many pirate ships looking for the booty. There's Sarandë, guys. That's all the Sarandë you're gonna see in this video. Because tomorrow we're going to Tirana. So clear, that water. Let's explore the beach a little bit. Just going for a little walk. Got my Birra Elbar, 4.1% baby beer, even though it's big. The water is looking lovely today, lads. Very beautiful beach. Work on the thumbnail. Where's the thumbnail? This is Albania? Is that a good thumbnail? I don't know. I'm not good at thumbnails.
So yeah guys, I mean this is Birra Elbar.
Elbar.
The beer you must try when you go to Albania, for sure.
Yes, you have to try this one, and it's my favorite, to be honest, in Albania.
What'd you get?
Passion
Ooh. Cheers! How is it?
Good.
What's in it?
Passion fruit, lime juice, and rum.
That dude's getting a lot of texts. This girl's blowing up his phone.
I don't think I will have the chance to do that.